Hello, I'm Yasna, and today we're going to be learning how to add a string to a normal friendship bracelet. Yes, it's not impossible, and you can add a string to a normal friendship bracelet. It's just so simple and kinda it looks like alpha bracelet. So we have this string here that it's too short for continuing, and let me find it. Here it is, and this is the string that is too short for me, and as you see, it's right in the middle of it. So I'm going to replace it with this string right here, and I'm going to be needing tape, and we will be adding this just after my explanation. So this was the string that it was too short for continuing. Where it's going is the way that we're going to be placing this new string. So this string is going to be down there, and it's going from left to right. So I'm gonna put the first of this string in the left of the bracelet. I put it just down there under the other strings, so I'm able to put it up there. And as you see, this string was going to need this one and this one and then this one, so I'm going to use it, and under the other strings it's the new string, as you see, under the other strings, and it's going up above the previous string. You see, it's under these strings, and this is the short string, so it goes up above. And now I'm going to knit these three with this string, this new string. So you're going to be so careful about it, because if you make a mistake and just push it so hard, or even push it so, just not making a knot with it, it's not gonna work, and that's gonna ruin everything. So make sure that you make a great knot. This is forward backward, so I make the forward backward. The other side was in the good shape of length, so I'm just going to knit it normally. So the previous string is right here, and as you see, it's in the back of the bracelet. So I put it in the back, that nothing is going to be in my hands in here, and I'm going to just keep going and knitting again. Here we have the new string. So I'm going to remove it, just as you see, these two are in the middle of the bracelet. And now I can just cut it. Let me find my scissors. My scissors, where are you? Where are you guys? So sorry, I had to go and find my scissors. And right here, you see, last strings are right here, and I will cut it just like this. And don't worry about it, I'm gonna lit it up with a lighter so it won't come out. Did you know that you can also use a lighter if you use strings, just not for macrame? You can use lighters in alpha and anything else. So that was the way I was knitting, and this is all you needed to know about it. That now my strings are replaced, and I can knit again with any side I want, and however it was. So I'm not gonna continue knitting because it's done, and the video is just over right now. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel don't forget to like it and comment under my videos if you want me to knit a pattern or you need anything to know so I can help you in that way. Bye.